English-Belarusian past, to be, I was.
Yeb.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Today we'll nail the past tense of to be in Belarusian. Think, I was.
Yeb.
Stay with me, repeat out loud, and have fun. Tiny laughs make big memories. Your goal today. By the end, you'll say all the essentials smoothly and confidently. We'll cover I was, you were, singular, he was, she was, it was, we were, you were, plural, formal, they were. You'll use them in a mini dialogue, a drill, and a quick quiz, plus a culture tip so you don't mix up.
Yeb.
And
Yebala.
lightning forms. Repeat after me and keep it snappy. I was.
Yeb.
You were, singular, informal. He was.
Yomer.
She was.
Yuna.
It was.
Sama.
We were.
Mimt.
You were, plural, formal.
Wait.
They were.
Aren't.
Note, if you're female, say, I was, as.
Yebala.
Be with glasses memory trick. Ya be you. Mini dialogue. Listen, then echo the Belarusian parts out loud. A. Where were you yesterday? B. I was at home.
Yeb. Doma.
A. And he? B. He was tired.
Yomer.
A. She was late, right? B. Yes, she was.
Yuna.
A. How was the film? B. It was great.
Sama.
A. Where were we? B. We were at the park.
Mimt.
A. And you all? B. You were early.
Wait. Rana.
A. Were they there? B. Yes, they were.
Aren't. Toot.
Call and response drill. I cue in English, you answer in Belarusian. Say it before I do. I was. Answer.
Yeb.
You were, singular. Answer. He was. Answer.
Yomer.
She was. Answer.
Yuna.
It was. Answer.
Sama.
We were. Answer.
Mimt.
You were, plural, formal. Answer.
Wait.
They were. Answer.
Aren't.
Culture and grammar tip. Tiny tweaks, huge wins. Notice the special Belarusian letter U in.
B.
It's a brief, W-like sound. Gender matters in the past for I was, male.
Yeb.
Female.
Yebala.
Plural is steady.
Mimt. Wait. Aren't.
For neutral statements, use it was.
Sama.
Quiz time. Answer out loud. I'll reveal it after a short pause. Translate. They were. Answer.
Aren't.
Translate. We were. Answer.
Mimt.
Translate. He was. Answer.
Yomer.
Translate. You were, plural, formal. Answer.
Wait.
Translate, it was. Answer.
Саме.
Translate, you were, singular. Answer. Translate, she was. Answer.
Юна.
Translate, I was. Answer.
Я б.
Challenge and goodbye. Ready for a fun wrap-up challenge? Describe your yesterday in 3 short lines using any 3 forms, for example.
Я б дома. Ми б. Саме.
Quote. Thanks for listening with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing a few minutes daily, share this episode with a friend, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, printables, and audio drills.